A research lab loses access to computing resources. Wi-Fi looks stable. The firewall shows no clear deny. The alerts are there, buried in noise. 2 hours later, the issue is identified. This time, nothing catastrophic happened. But the real failure wasn't hardware, it wasn't staffing, it wasn't tooling. The environment simply couldn't correlate itself fast enough. University networks don't lack telemetry, they lack interpretive speed. Higher education is structurally decentralized. Research labs, healthcare systems, administrative platforms, multiple campuses. Signals are everywhere, context is fragmented. When incidents occur, engineers aren't blind, they're stitching. And stitching time is now your greatest operational liability. AI is scaling across campus. Research models, student-facing systems, clinical data environments. As AI expands, tolerance for delay collapses. MTTR is no longer about repair speed, it's about interpretive latency. Interpretive speed is the new reliability. A Viz network copilot TM collapses investigative time, ingesting multi-vendor telemetry, correlating events across domains, producing explainable root cause, in plain language, not black box automation, explainable infrastructure intelligence. Because as AI proliferates across campus, risk compounds, infrastructure that cannot explain itself becomes a governance liability. The network is no longer connective tissue, it is institutional intelligence infrastructure, and it must operate at decision speed. Interpretive speed is the new reliability. A Viz network copilot TM collapses investigative time, ingesting multi-vendor telemetry, correlating events across domains, producing explainable root cause, in plain language, not black box automation. Explainable infrastructure intelligence because, as AI proliferates across campus, risk compounds, infrastructure that cannot explain itself becomes a governance liability, and it must operate at decision speed.